Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Eco White Logging. I'm in the forest. It's raining. Let's find a place to shelter. We're gonna have fun. Let's go. I believe this is a jade stone, because you see how it got little nugs of stone, hard stone, and it looks, the texture is a little leathery texture. That's how the jade is. Like over here. See that over here? A lot of small piece. That right here. See? This. I'm not gonna take it off. Leave it like that. It's good that this is a downhill. Otherwise, I'll be catching breath every 10 seconds. Alright, that's where I'm sleeping tonight. I got my hammock set. And I have some homemade jerky I made. I got you, let me show you. I made it with my grill. With some hardwood. Look. Color is amazing. Taste. Delicious. It's not dry. I don't hurt your teeth. Delicious. So this is gonna be my lunch, dinner, breakfast. Or dinner, lunch, breakfast. Whatever. It started to rain heavily. So I'm gonna put this tarp on top of my, let me put this camera in the right place. Probably use 2 more rock for this side. Use this to break it. Stop it from moving. 1 more for this side. I need a stone. Oh, right there. Perfect. Lay this on top. Alright. I got some type of cover. Just pushing this up. That's a cover. I think the rain got slower. Oh no, it's starting. Yeah, the rain is getting slow. Yeah. I think the rain stopped. I see light. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. I see lights. I see sun. The rain stopped. These are just the water on top of the leaf that keep dropping down from the wind. Over here I found some alfalfa. You can't eat those. They're edible. And sometimes they make stew with it. Alright, maybe this is a different type. Here I found some wild carrot. Let's pull that out. See if there's any carrots at the bottom. Yeah, I think that's just. It's not. It looks like carrot, but it's not carrot. Still raining from last night. Last night I didn't record anything because it was raining non-stop, and I couldn't record anything. But right now, let's go home. I'm ready to go. Look at all these flowers. Beautiful. Alright, it started to rain. I'm going to go home. That's it for me. If you like my videos, hit that subscribe, hit that like. I'll see you on the next video. Have a good life. Peace.